GST Case Law. Subject: Petitioner seeks refund of amount deposited without issuance of GST DRC-04. High Court of Punjab and Haryana judgment as follows. Facts of the case: the petitioner seeks a writ to refund an amount recovered without a show cause notice or order under Section 74 of the Central GST Act and Haryana GST Act. The petitioner, engaged in the manufacturing of aluminium ingots, had their business premises searched, and respondent number 3 forced them to deposit tax, interest, and penalty for input tax credit claimed on purchases from Messrs. DG Enterprises. The petitioner alleges that no GST DRC-04 was issued, and the recovery was made without following proper adjudication procedures under Sections 73-74 of the Act. The respondents claim that the director of Messrs. Samyak Metals Private Limited admitted accepting bills without goods from Messrs. DG Enterprises and voluntarily paid the amount. Decision of the court. The court refers to a similar case and observes that recovery during a search should be voluntary and notices under Section 74(1) should be issued within the prescribed period. In this case, the petitioner deposited the amount under Section 74(5) but did not receive the necessary acknowledgement, Form GST DRC-04, or notice under Section 74(1). The respondents failed to follow the government instructions and the provisions of Rule 142(2) of the CGST rules. The court orders the respondents to refund the amount to the petitioner, along with simple interest at a rate of 6% per annum, within 2 weeks from the receipt of the judgment's certified copy. The petition is allowed accordingly. Parties: Samyak Metals Private Limited vs. Union of India. Citation: CWP number 265-9 of 2022. If you like the case law summary, please like and share it. If you want to read the case law, please refer the description of the video. If you want to grow your tax practice like 2000 other tax professionals, visit our website www.practiceguru.pro. Download our app One-Click Branding, which is available on both Apple App Store and Google Play Store, or WhatsApp us on 9136667325. Also click on the link to watch next video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.